with us now, Michael Discioarro, former assistant district attorney in New York City, Katie Cherkasky, former federal prosecutor who now practices criminal defense in New York. Her book is Woke Warriors: How the Left is Destroying America's Ability to Fight and Win Its Wars. Michael, I want to start with you on this, because ever since this case was brought, from the very first day the indictment came down, you were on TV, and all you've talked about for a year plus is today. Did it live up to your expectations?
Absolutely. Michael Cohen is a cross-examiner's dream, and Mr. Blanche and that team took the time to go through everything, every statement, every podcast, every TikTok live where Cohen is wearing a Jail Trump t-shirt. The problem for the prosecution is this: if you have to believe anything that Cohen says, because what they're going to argue is we have all this corroboration. Okay, what do you need us to believe from Cohen? We need you to believe X. That will be in doubt. He is walking reasonable doubt.
And the big moment today was about a phone call between Cohen and Keith Schiller, who's another Trump fixer, if you will. And the phone call was allegedly about Stormy Daniels. That's what Cohen had testified to. And then on cross-examination, Cohen had to admit that it was actually about dealing with some crank phone calls that Cohen had been getting from a 14-year-old, and then he got confused, and everything else. This is Anderson Cooper describing that moment about exactly what you do to a witness. And interestingly enough, Michael, it's some of the same words you use. Take a listen.
On a cross-examination, lawyers want to kind of put the witness in a, build a box around the witness and then slam it shut. That's what Todd Blanche did to Michael Cohen.
All right, Katie, what do the prosecutors do now?
Well, Michael Cohen is essentially a trifecta of a nightmare for prosecutors, because he has the credibility issues, he has the bias issues, and then he's making uncorroborated statements that arguably relate to the charges. So it really never mattered what he said, because none of it could ever have been believed. That was the bottom line with Cohen. The problem that the prosecution has is that they do not have evidence on the actual elements of the charged offenses. Michael Cohen was essentially the only person that they had to try to tie Donald Trump to even making this deal, let alone trying to argue that it was somehow criminal. I think the only thing the prosecution could do is throw up some sort of accounting expert to say that the documentation of these reimbursements as legal expenses was somehow improper, but they're not going to do that. So I don't know how they even establish the misdemeanor offense here. The case is essentially over. I'll be shocked if Cohen even shows up on Monday. I don't know why he would at this point.
Well, when you say he would show up because otherwise he would be subpoenaed,
he's ordered
right?
to. But it's a bit of a embarrassment, needless to say. So certainly the prosecution can't do much. This was their witness, and he's not able to close the loop for them on the evidentiary elements.
Embarrassment is not something that has stopped Michael Cohen in the past, Michael Discioarro. How important is it that this was on the last day of court for the week, and the jurors go home for 3 days for a long weekend? I know they're not supposed to talk about the case. They're not supposed to read anything about the case. But, you know, there's families, people are out at bars, they see things, they hear things, and this is what everybody's talking about.
Absolutely. How can you get away with it? There's 170 million Americans on TikTok. Everybody's got family. Everybody's got friends. You can't turn on any news channel without hearing this. And all they're going to think about all weekend is a guy who's on the stand who despises the defendant, has told a million different stories, and this may open the door for the defense to bring in Mr. Costello, which is Michael Cohen's old lawyer, because Michael Cohen waived the privilege.
All right, so that is Robert Costello, who's you're talking about, a former federal prosecutor from Manhattan, which, Katie, is, I believe, where you might have practiced law. Let's take a listen.
I said, Michael, the way this works is if you have truthful information about Donald Trump, that's clearly what they're looking for, I can have all your legal problems solved by the end of the week. His response, I swear to God, Bob, I don't have anything on Donald Trump.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider.
And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.